Hello, good morning all of you. Today, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sport Talk. Today it is early morning, January 1, 2021. New Year. Happy New Year 2021 to all of you, my dear viewers. You love my channel very much, so I am appreciating your love and value very much. So today we are not going to discuss about sports, and I am coming to the natural beauty with the help with the sports. Also, natural scenario and natural resources is important for our healthy living. Sports and natural resources are also interrelated to each other. So today I am going to show some natural scenario of Far Western Development Region of Nepal. This is also our on-site Akatat family. So I am going to show some scenario. Look at this scene, this natural beauty, feel these natural resources. Also sports and these natural resources are very important for our life. This is the bamboo tree. Look at this bamboo tree, how long it is, just amazing. This is the view. Look at this meadows or field where wheat is grown by the farmers. Just look at these views, amazing views. I love this nature very much. Look at this long tree, and this is for water supply for irrigation of field. This water is for irrigation project. This water is for irrigation. Look at this scenario. This is morning time. How lovely this scene is. Hope you love this nature very much.